Hello everyone, I am back with another unboxing video. So I've got sent another little bundle from Journalsay. This is the second time I've had something from them. They sent me stuff about a year ago and they popped me another email saying, would you like to choose some more things? So I said, yes, of course, who doesn't like to? So I'm really excited. They sent this to me as a gift. Full disclosure, I've already unboxed it. I got way too excited. So when it came in through the mail, I was like, let's look. So I've already dug through it. My daughter's also already dug through it. So the box came. I'm thrilled with it, apart from the box came absolutely battered. Don't know if you can see it, but the whole front is like crumbled in there. It is like squashed to bits. The bottom, not much better. There is like, you know, rips and tears and squashes, but everything inside is perfect. So I got some bubble wrap in there, and this is actually awesome. This isn't part of the thing that I picked, but they put bubble wrap in there to obviously preserve everything, which worked. But they're little pockets, so I'm gonna keep these because when I need to post something, I've got some little bubble wrap pockets ready to go. Yeah, so this is all the stuff, and I'm gonna go through it real quick, one by one with you and share it with you. You'll probably see some of this stuff coming up in videos as well. Okay, so the first thing I got was this, I'm gonna butcher the name, I have no idea how to say it. Curetake. It's quite a popular brand. I've seen it on Amazon. They're usually a more expensive paint because they're, I think, quite high pigmented. I haven't tried it out yet. I haven't done any swatches, but I love the basic sort of color it came with, and these are full-sized pans. It comes with that little protective cover, and then it's obviously got the lid there. I can do a little swatch in here, which is quite fun, but it's a cute little paint set, and it's nice and small and easy to fit in my desk, which is nice. And then you can also obviously pull out each pan so that you can set that on your desk if you only want to work with one color. So I got a lovely set of paints. Next up, I've got this journal. I'm pretty sure it's not leather. It feels like sort of the fake leather, but it's really cute. It's got this sort of floral leafy pattern on it. Looks like that. It comes with a little band to hold it together, and then it came with 3 notebooks on the inside. So you get your blank one, lined one, and squares. My daughter's already tried to claim this, but I got this specifically for me. I thought for my note planning, for my YouTube plans, my sort of thoughts and goals for that, I thought this would be cute. Easy to chuck in my bag, and it's really stylish and lovely. Kind of matches my jumper. I think I've got like a color theme going on. So I got that one. Then I got this pencil case because I love the way that it opens up. So it's a cute little pencil case, and I picked this one because it opens up fully. So you undo the zip from corner to corner, and then you can open it up. So when I go away on my little crafty retreats, I can take this pencil case and just open it up fully on my desk. Obviously when there's pens in there, it'll weigh it down. But it's got like little straps and extra inside pockets, a little zippy pocket, external pockets. There's one here, and then there's this snappy bit. Just got another pocket in there. So I just thought it was perfect. It was nice and small, and I love that it fully opens because I hate when you can't find your pen and then you got to pull everything out of your pencil case just to get your pen. So I picked this one because I thought this looked really cool, and I've never seen a design like this before. Then I wanted to go old school because I wanted to have some texture to my cards. I don't always want to emboss my cards with a design. So I went old school and I got some paper crimpers. So these are fun because they can fit in my desk really easily. The crimping hole size is about 11 centimeters. So the idea is that you stick your bit of paper or your cardstock, and then you turn it. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to turn this while holding it, but go in there. Alright, maybe I just have to hold it like this. Any tips? Please share. I can't quite work out how I hold the machine and hold my paper and get it started. Wrong way, wrong way. Suck it in, suck it in. Oh, we got just a corner. Go back out. There we go. You just have to get that tip in. Woohoo! I don't know if you ever did this in school, if you had these things when you were a kid, but they're so fun. You just put your paper in and just twist it. I'm not quite sure how thick of cardstock it would take, but how fun is that? Can you see that detail? So fun. This is 120 GSM paper. Standard copy paper is 80 GSM. Oh man, guys, got to be kidding me. Why do I do this stuff all the time? I was convinced that these were 2 different widths between them. For some reason I thought one had 2 lines, one had 3, I don't know. Look, I've ordered the exact same thing twice. That. They're the exact same thing. I just ordered it in blue and pink. I am so embarrassed. I just done this and I'm like, they're identical. How are they identical? They're identical because I bought the exact same thing in just 2 different colors. All right, one's going to school and I'll keep one. All right, let's do one that is different. Oh, look. Look at my heart paper. Kind of hard to tell it's hearts. Looks more like just random diamond shapes. But still cute. Can you see the hearts on it? How fun is that? And then my bumpity bump paper. Then I got some glue tapes. Who doesn't love a tape runner? These are 4 meters by 6 millimeters. So they're just itty bitty, but this is great because this will fit in the pencil case really nice if I want to have just a bit of a tape runner. Then I got a selection of purple pens. They had a whole bunch of different colors and you could get pens based on the color you like. So I love pens and I love stationery, so I got the purple ones. The first one, which was a gel pen, and this one, which was a highlighter. These ones here are all identical. Identical ink, identical tip. I think they're all probably the same size tip. This is extra fine. They're all like extra fine. That's 0.5. So these are all identical. They just have a different shaped pen or a different colored base of the pen, but they are all identical ink on the inside. And then apart from these 2, which are gel and then highlighter. And I got this set of pens with like disco balls on the end. So these are quite cute and they've got a really nice soft, squishy kind of gel on the bottom. It's definitely like squishy. They're obviously all protected with their little kind of covers on the end. Oh, look how bright and pink that is. Oops. These are all 0.5 for the tip size. They're well cute and I really like the colors. Obviously the green is really hard to read, but the green on black would be really cool. Right, so there they are on black. You can see them compared to each other. So they stand out really, really nicely off of black. They write really smooth. I'm very happy with these ones. So next thing I got was an eraser, but it's like one of those, it's a retractable eraser. I haven't had one of these since I was a kid and I was in school. Let's just check it works. Success! And you can push on it. I was worried about it not being able to push down very hard. I did scribble quite hard. There we go, and a retractable eraser. Then I don't know if this is a thing for you and your kids if you have kids, but like Nanotape was like all the rage this year. Now I know you can use it in crafting as like a double-sided tape. You can use it as the stuff that when you heat it, it stretches. But my daughter got like a little kit and I wanted to have a go as well. So I've got some from me to have a go and use as double-sided. It's almost like foam, but it's not foam. So you could, you know, it's really thick. So you can use it as double-sided foam tape essentially as well. So I got some of that to try out. Very, very sticky on the sides. So you want to make sure that if you had some of this, you put it somewhere where it's not going to pick up all your cat hair or dog hair. Because I could see this being a real problem because it is very, very sticky all over the sides. Then last but not least, I got these for my kids. So I don't know how long they'll last because I'm pretty sure my kids will have like battles. But I thought I would get these for my kids because they are absolutely hilarious. The pens, so the pen lid just comes off. It's right on here. A black ink, they're quite heavy. I don't know how much you'd want to write with them. But my son was like, I'm going to take mine to school. I'm like, no, I don't think you'll be allowed. But we got boxing robot and explosive hair. But they are fabulous. I thought they were just such fun little pens. So all the links to these products I've shared with you will be in the description box below if you want to check any of them out. If you have any questions about anything I've used, pop it in the comments or drop me an email and I'll happily answer them for you. This is my second order with Journalsay and I really like their stuff so far. The previous order I got tons of stickers and embellishments and they were all really fun as well. I'll link that video down in the description box if you want to check out the first video and the first section of stuff I got from them. But they are loads of fun. They've got a ton of stationery-like stuff on their site and it's worth an explore. So thank you for joining. joining me today, and I will see you soon. Bye!